We had a second grader who trashed a room. We call that the room trasher. The room trasher would get going, and he would trash the room. He would get sent out of the classroom, and where did he get sent? Sometimes he might get sent to the suspension room. The problem is when he went to the suspension room, he'd kind of get talked to and all that kind of stuff, and which is all fine and good, except for he just did something really awful. So we said, if he gets sent out to the office, suspension room, whatever, your job is to not talk to him, not give him any attention at all. None. He sits there, he rides it out. We have some activities or some maybe even some little bit of schoolwork we ask him to do. And until he's able to complete that, and until the temperature is that he's able to go back to class, he doesn't go back to class. But he gets no attention, none, zero. And then, when he's in a better spot, we've retained some of the trash scene because it is his responsibility to clean it up. And that's a reasonable expectation. But if a kid trashes the room and they get sent out so they can go talk to someone, play a game with someone, try to counsel through why they're upset at that moment, no. The counseling part can happen elsewhere, but it should not happen as a direct response to a really poor behavior. Because what do you learn? If I trash something, I get to go talk to my buddy. I know kids who purposely get thrown out of classrooms to go places so they can go talk to someone. I want you to be able to talk to someone, but now's not the time.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.